Hello, we're so excited that you've decided to join us for the 2020 season at the Summit Bechtel Reserve.
But before you start your journey to wild and wonderful West Virginia, here are a couple essential requirements. First, make sure you have a safe plan to get to the summit. Limited social interaction, good hand hygiene, and facial coverings.
Be sure to bring hand sanitizers and enough masks for each day.
Please be sure to bring a copy of your annual health and medical record, as it will not be returned to you at the end of the season and will be shredded upon your departure.
Every individual coming to the Summit Bechtel Reserve this summer must complete the pre-arrival self-assessment, including taking your temperature and recording any symptoms you may have for 5 days prior to your arrival this summer.
You can call the Summit Health Lodge from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern at 304-465-2816 if you have any of the following symptoms.
Fever of 100.4 or greater.
Sudden loss of taste and or smell.
Vomiting and or diarrhea.
Or 2 of the following symptoms.
Cough, fatigue, muscle or body aches,
Sore throat, congestion, runny nose or headache. Please call us at the Health Lodge and let us know.
The unit leader will then need to compile all of the individual information onto the unit pre-screening form and provide contact information for their local health department. Here's how it works. The temp column should be used to fill in the temperature. We prefer Fahrenheit. The S column is for symptoms. Are you having symptoms? Put Y for yes, N for no. The last column will be labeled GF. This is asking, how are you feeling? The options for this area are W for well, S for sick, and finally N, which means not up to par. The notes area to the far right is where you can add anything noteworthy. For example, if one of the symptoms can be explained by something other than COVID-19, that's noteworthy. Now let's talk about the check-in process when you get here. When you arrive at the Ruby Welcome Center, please follow the cones to the right, through the underpass, and remain in your vehicle at all times. A Summit staff member will meet you at your vehicle, take temperatures of everyone in the vehicle, ask you a few questions like if anyone has been exhibiting symptoms for the last 72 hours, and finally, they'll collect your annual health and medical records for your unit, as well as the unit health pre-screening form.
Once the check-in process is completed, you'll finish registration and your adventure begins. Yeah!
So the Summit Bechtel Reserve, in close coordination with the Fayette County Health Department and the State of West Virginia Department of Health and Human Resources, have been working diligently over the past few months to develop plans and procedures that take in the totality of the seriousness of the COVID-19 crisis that we as a nation have been facing. Are moving forward with plans and so forth to keep all Scouts, visitors, participants, and staff safe while at the Summit Bechtel Reserve. Now, we also tend to understand that with every precaution that we take, we do understand that there is an inherent risk that someone could become infected while on the way here, prior to getting here, and even possibly here. This is why it is a total team approach that we need to solicit not only our staff, our public safety partners, but also each participant and visitor that comes to the summit, to employ them to take ownership in their own personal safety and helping us look out for each and every one of us.
Stay safe and Summit on!